Hey guys, welcome to the video. Tara naman tayo. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, whatever time it is in your place right now. I hope you're having a good one. So anyways, today's video is going to be about the equipment that I bring with me whenever I go on trips. As you can see naman on my videos, most of it are trips, and yeah, the first thing that I'm going to show you guys is this bag right here. This bag is the Lowepro Protactic DP450 AW version 2. As you can see, it does not look like a camera bag at all. It looks like one of those cargo bags that you bring. It is one of the features that I like about it. People won't think that you're carrying camera equipment when using this. Well, by a little bit, at least it helps, right? And what I like about this is the compartments, the way you open it. There are a lot of ways. Like this one, you can open it from top. You can grab your camera, which is right there right now. You can grab your camera from up top. And from the sides right here. Here, one side. And over here, the other side. Yeah. That and most especially the best part is that you can open it from the back. Opening it from the back also helps reduce the risk of people trying to steal your things. As you can see, it is a little bit hard to steal when the zipper or the main entry of the backpack is right here, just behind you. But if it's right over here, you would not feel it. People could be like opening your backpack and stuff, you know, it's hard. What I like about this is the entry is right here, so when they open it, halatang halata, it would be very obvious. So there's that, and also it has this hip strap right here that you can close, lock, and it greatly reduces the amount of weight that is being carried by the shoulders. If I don't have this strapped on, all the weight is on my shoulders and my back starts to hurt after a few minutes of carrying this, because you know this is heavy. So yeah, if you don't like the hip strap it has, I mean if you find it ugly, you can actually remove it. It's connected by a Velcro right here, which you can remove a few easy steps. So yeah, ito. You could also use this as a separate thing, especially when you like running. There. Or maybe weightlifting too, deadlifts. So those are some of the things that I like about this bag outside, and we will go on to the interior. Let's open it up. Right here, I don't know if you can see it up top. Let's move it here. There. As you can see, it has its own compartments, and all these compartments right here can be adjusted with how you want it to be. You can like remove this. This is Velcro right here, so you can remove it and place it however you want it to be. Right here you can also include a laptop. 13-inch would be the best for it. 15, mine is 17 right there, and it can't fit. It's big. That's why I'm planning to change it. So yeah, laptop compartment right there. What else? Here, compartments here, and that's it for the inside. As you can see, all of my things here are all snug and fit. It is time to remove them one by one and see everything. I will give a brief description for each and every one of these, why I like them, why I chose them. So the first thing that I want to show you guys that's inside my backpack right here is the thing that people usually talk about when I open it. The Mavic Pro. As you can see, this is a small and compact drone, which is why I love it. It is strong against winds. It's very stable actually. The connection, everything. Wait. I will put this right here instead, right here. Okay, so it comes with battery and a remote. right there. I have here GoPro 2018. Let's open it up. There it is, GoPro 2018. I actually got this instead of the 6, 7, or 8, and you know, it's expensive. Maybe if I had just a little bit of extra money, I would have gotten the 8 or the 7, but this is good. It's nice for swimming or, you know, sticking it out of the car. It's great. So yeah, that's it. It has 2 batteries inside, lens for diving, has an enclosure for, you know, underwater stuff, which I always use, especially when I'm going on the beach swimming, because I don't want to risk it. Even though this is already waterproof, I don't want to risk it, you know, panigurado. And it has a charger. That is it for the GoPro package. Right here in this compartment, I still have this precision tools, just in case I want to fix things, you know. Sometimes you have a lot of things and they need to be fixed. To partner that with, I also have this utility knife, Leatherman Wave. There it is. It's very nice. You can look it up. It has knives, scissors, file, everything else you might need. I also have an extra camera. This is the Nikon Coolpix AW130. This is the camera that I used before the GoPro came, because this is very durable and it's also waterproof for around 30 meters. Yep, this alone. And it only cost around 200 bucks, so very nice. I will put it here. In this compartment right here, I have an ND filter in case I want to do time lapses, especially when the sun is all bright and shiny. Sunny. I have this. It's a time-lapse mechanical thingy. I actually forgot what the name is. I'll just put it right here. Basically, imagine that your camera is facing there, and when the time finishes, it will be facing there. And then the alarm will ring, and then you will know that your camera is facing right there. Get the gist of it. I usually use this with the GoPro or this Nikon here. Nikon? I don't know. So there, right here, we have this. This is a lot of cords, because you can never have too much of them. You always need to have extras in case one of them breaks, so you can charge your phone, use the remote to connect the Mavic to the phone, and everything else. Right here I have a pack of silica gel. In case, you know, any of these fall in the water, I can just put them right here inside and then wait for it to dry, because sometimes it's an emergency, you just have to do it. Here are some of my extra utility stuff, you know. Let me open this. I have a marker, electrical tape, duct tape, extension sockets, zip ties, super glue, double-sided 3M tape, and even a lighter. So yeah, always have these with me. Let's put it there. What else? I have this. This is kind of like my hygiene kit. It has a lot of things that you might need in case of an emergency. So it also acts as a first aid kit. It has alcohol, sunblock, band-aids, shampoo, betadine, toothpaste, toothbrush, even a thermometer right here. You must always have your extra things. What else do I have here? I have a raincoat right here, which, you know, it's an emergency thing. And I also have this small backpack in case I want to travel lighter. Just leave this in the hotel, lock the room, bring whatever I need, and I'm good. There is not enough space on the table, so I'll just put it back in here. Right here I have extra sets of clothes in case I get wet, in case I have to stay the night in some place, or in case I go swimming and stuff. Yeah, get the point. I also have plastic, because you know, in case you get wet, put it in, change your clothes. You don't want the gear getting wet. In here, I have tools for cleaning the lens and the camera, the cover for the lens. So this is everything inside it. So I'll put this back in so I won't have a hard time later. And I almost forgot, I always bring with me extra sets of SD cards right here. Extra sets of SD cards because, you know, you can never have too much memory. Because if one breaks, at least you still have an extra one. And yeah, that is everything right here that I bring with me. In case I want to go on 3 to 4 days of trips, I add clothes, I add the chargers and everything. And yeah, it actually fits inside the small bag. Whoa, this is not small, this is big. That's it. Short video about everything I have. Let's put it all in. First thing, the drone. Close it up like this. So, like that. So the first thing that I put is the remote and the battery. Like that. And then I place it here. Snug tight. And then I put this precision tools right here. I get the GoPro 1018, close it up, easy. There, inside. Nikon AW130, there it goes. Cables, silica gels, UV filters, and my trusty leather one wave. We have this time-lapse thingy, forgot the name, just, you know, put it right here. Health kit, first aid kit, hygiene kit, yep. What else? Tools, things you might need. Jacket, this is what it looks like. It's actually very small. Raincoat, very nice. And very compact. Goes like that. And then, yep. Close it up. I think I got everything. Oh yeah, I also have this. This right here, the Ronin S. It's a gimbal that can handle heavy loads. So I used to use this and pair it with my Canon 80D, which I actually already sold. Things have to be upgraded every once in a while. But I don't use it anymore. And I don't bring it with me on trips anymore because it's, you know, it's adding a lot of weight. So yeah, that's it. Ronin S. Time to close it. There. Let's set it upright. And always remember to bring your water. It is one of my priorities. So it's just strapped right there. Yan. That's what it looks like. So perfect, diba? You wear it like this, then good to go. So anyways guys, thanks for watching this very long video about me unpacking my things and showing them all to you. I hope you enjoyed it. I hope you learned something from it. If you have any questions about everything that I laid down here, just comment down below, ask me, and I'll try to answer it as briefly as I can. Anyways, if you have problems or anything about camera gear, what to get, you can actually also comment down below, and I might just be able to help you because you're just both helping each other out. Kasi during my time, I made a lot of wrong decisions on what gear to choose, what gears to pick. So there's that. I mean, they're not really wrong decisions, but like, if I actually headed straight to what I have right now, I would not have bought the things that I got in the past, because like those were a little bit of a waste of money and time spent, you know? So yeah, ask me anything and I'll try to answer them. If you enjoyed this video, please give a thumbs up if you liked it, and if you loved it, subscribe if you want. Also, you might want to ring that notification bell if you do plan on subscribing, because YouTube does not really tell anyone that I uploaded my videos. I mean, at least you can like go check them out if you want. Maybe the next video I'm going to post is something that you might like, diba? So yeah, thanks for watching again. Always remember, don't hate, appreciate. Stay cool. Peace. I'm out. Cause like my sister is in the hospital right now, so I have to go and visit her. So you know, family stuff. Thanks for watching. Have a great day. Bye.